Good evening, friends. Hello, this is a Sunday evening here in Denver. So, how are you all doing? Just had my shower and I wanted to share a nice tip on how you should dry your hair. So, just I use mostly old t shirts because they are cotton and cotton absorbs the water so well. So, I like to have two t shirts. I have two t shirts which I use it, and these t shirts are from India. They are purely cotton. They absorb much water and they don't they help you in your hairs not to break down so much, and you don't have much hair fall with this kind of tip, friends. So I thought I would share with you when I just had my shower and how my hairs would be wet. So friends, today we'll be doing red lentils, and it is even called masoor dal. So let's get started, friends. Half cup of here, just half cup is enough for my family. I'll just wash this once or two times. I washed the beetroot well, and now I'll just cut into pieces and drop it in the lentils. I'm cutting two beetroots and putting in this lentils. I've chopped them like this, friends. There's no hard and fast rule that you need to chop it in correct consistency. You can just chop it however you like. And yesterday, friends, I downloaded a nice lip balm with the beetroots. Please watch that, friends. It's a natural lip balm and it's very useful for winter. I'm adding some asafoetida, some cumin seeds, some chili powder, little salt, like a spoon of salt, little turmeric, little black pepper. So I'm adding 2 cups of water, friends. You can add more water if you feel that water is less. You can always add more water later. So friends, today I'll take very little oil, just 1 spoon, just 2 spoons, friends. Cloves of big garlic, and I'll chop them into this oil and let it saute for 2 or 3 minutes in hot oil. I'll saute it and make it brown because garlic is so nice. It will help you in your sinus, and in this winter, now that it's starting here, it will help in all the colds and throat pains and all. So garlic is very good, friends, for anti-inflammatory and all. Garlic is very good. So friends, I've added garlic and ginger and I've sauteed it well. It's become nice brown in color. I'll off this now. Friends, the dal has come out so well. The red lentils has become red because we added beetroots. Now we'll just take this, stir it well, and add the ginger garlic which we have sauteed it here. We'll add it in here. See, friends, how nice it gave a nice sizzling sound because the range is very hot. Half cup of water. I feel my lentils is little thick, so I wanted little slim. And I'll add this tomatoes in the water and I'll saute it little. Friends, the chili powder which I had added, I feel it is less. So I've added more red chili powder. I've added more half cup of water because I feel that my lentils are becoming thick. So I've added more water. I bought cilantro and I chopped and kept it in the freezer. Now I'll just put it in this boiling water and it will give a good fragrance. So friends, I'll add this mixture in my lentils and mix it well. I feel my lentils consistency is nice. There are nice tomatoes, there are nice beetroots. See, friends, so yum. It's smelling so good. Friends, you should try this because lentils and the red lentils, masoor ki dal with beetroots. Have, friends. Sorry, friends, I had to end the call in on my last sentence, which was because I had someone at the door and I had to see who it was. So nothing important. So everything is fine. So friends, yeah, we should eat more of beetroots because it gives good iron to the body and it's a very good root plant. It's very healthy and it cleans your gut system. It's very healthy, friends. And you can add beetroots in your salads and lentils like how I did today. They are very good, and you can even take beetroot, celery, apple, spinach, and puree them and have a nice smoothie out of it. You can add avocados, you can add bananas, and make so much, friends, with beetroots. Beetroot is a universal food, and it you get it everywhere. So beets is one of my favorite food which I like to eat. I can eat beetroots anytime, so I love beetroot so much, friends. So I hope you all liked my lentils of beetroots today. So if friends, if you've liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe it. See you. Good night. Bye.